So ayun nga guys, mabilisan lang pag-usapan natin kung ano yung nasa menu ng Baa Baa Thai Milktea. So meron silang Thai Classic, which is, of course, this is the popular drink sa Thailand. Meron din tayong mga milk tea, fruit teas. We also have cheese series, coco series, at saka yung ube series. So tikman natin siguro some of the best sellers. Right, thank you. Ayun nga guys, so I think the order is ready and the pinakalas na pinrepare nila para sa atin is yung Baa Baa Thai Classic Milk Tea, which is, again, sa mga Thai milk tea, ito yung talagang pinaka-popular. And if you ask anyone who is from Thailand or nagtrabaho sa Thailand, mga Pinoy na galing sa Thailand, ito talaga yung kilala nila. So, just to let you know guys, si Baa Baa Thai Milk Tea po is an inspired Thai milk tea store. So this is the first in Pampanga and located dito yan sa may SM City, San Fernando, Pampanga. So the rest of the orders, meron pa tayong tatlo. Again, these are their best sellers. So this one is a strawberry and a cherry flavor combination. Meron din tayo ditong blueberry cheesecake. Wow, look at that. I mean, from the wall ng cup natin, kitang-kita naman yung cream cheese. Cream cheese, diba? Cream cheese, wow. Okay, and then the next, ito talaga, I personally pick this one. Ito yung kanilang creme brulee. Meron pa tong konting pa-apoy-apoy effect, diba? So, yan, tikman na natin. So, just to mention pala guys, available na rin sila sa GrabFood. Yes, sir. Grab delivery. So, if you are from San Fernando, Pampanga, Mexico, ayan, pwede po natin silang orderan. Okay. Wow! Solid! Walang palalasa yung dugot na. Guys, just to give you a word of caution, this one has really strong tea flavor. So if you're into those, kind of flavor sa mga milk tea, not just yung parang, mga boba, ganyan. This one has really strong tea flavor. Sorry, Joe. Yan. So, next naman natin, again, this is strawberry and cherry mixed flavor. And then on top, meron tayong milk. Their own milk. So, let's give it a quick shake. Yan, more shake. So, this one, I think, is very friendly for kids, for ladies as well, those who are into really soft, mellow flavor. This is cherry and strawberry. Get this one, blueberry cheesecake. So again, let's shake it. Yan guys, so yung pinaka-bottom natin, actually meron pa siyang parang blueberry jam. Okay, so wall ng cup natin, let's scrape it para matikman natin entirely yung kanilang cream cheese as well as the blueberry flavoring. Oh wow! My take guys, this is in between yung flavor ng classic at saka yung berries natin. Okay, so this is a creme brulee. So this is more of a parang medyo western dahil meron tayong caramelized, what do you call this? Caramelized sugar on top. Plus, ayan. So it has pearls then. Shake it. My favorite. So, this has a little bit bitter, salty, and sweet. And then meron siyang parang yun nga, burnt, smoky aftertaste. This is my favorite so far amongst the four. Alright, so that was a different kind of experience, not your usual Taiwan, you know, yung mga nausong Taiwan milk tea, but this one is a Thai. So I think based on my experience, no, this is our like third or fourth pa lang na mga milk tea na Thai inspired naman. So guys, if you're into these kinds of refreshment drinks, available po sila dito sa may SM City Pampanga, and they are also available via order and delivery, GrabFood. So make sure to check them out. If you have been in Thailand and you're missing this kind of drinks, go ahead and check them out. Please check them out. Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.